Hi everyone, welcome to Resolutions. Today we are going to remove an element from the specified index. Now, if you are still confused at what exactly indexing is, feel free to check out my shorts where I have clearly explained how indexing works and what indexing and slicing is in Python. So here I have already declared a list with three elements. Now we are going to use pop method, which is used to remove the specified index. So we used remove method before to remove the value. But if we want to use the specified index, we need to use pop. So the list dot pop, and we are going to give input as 1. Uh, Now we can see that the first element is tomato. And now we are going to print the list again. And now we have only two items left in the list. Uh, so the index in the method is optional. If we do not give any method, it is just going to pop the last item from the list. So if we just do the list dot pop, you can see the output is cucumber. So it is now going to remove the last element by default, and we're going to print the list again. So now we have only one element left. I hope you understood this explanation. Start learning Python and do Python on your terminal. You do not need any fancy software at all. So, and do subscribe and let me know any of your suggestions. Thank you.